Remove the two balls or screws holding the fuel petcock, then take the valve off completely. Now clean the tank as sealing surface. You can see some dirt and debris inside, so we'll clean out the residue thoroughly. If your tank is very dirty, take this chance to flush it out fully. We'll now disassemble the fuel valve. Important tip: the internal filter screens are fragile and break easily. They may not always be replaceable, so handle them carefully. Use a screwdriver to remove the faceplate and control lever. You'll see a spring washer in between them. Then use a pick tool to remove the O-ring and valve packing gasket. These gasket wears are the fastest and causes most fuel leaks. With everything disassembled, clean all parts with carburetor cleaner. Make sure the valve body is completely clear of clogs for smooth fuel flow. Let us put it back together. I like to apply a little fogging oil to the rubber parts. It lubricates them and reduces wear from the moving lever. First, reinstall the valve packing gasket. Then fit the O-ring back in place. It's on the lever. Make sure the spring washer, then reinstall the faceplate. The faceplate only fits one way. Align the lever to its original position, then install the new screws. And we got the O-ring on top. Set that in place. And we're going to reinstall this back onto the gas tank. This is the no fuel petcock valve. It comes with a new gasket. Just fit it into position. Fit the included filter tube into position. Install both sealing washers and the second gasket. Tighten the fasteners to proper torque. Do not over-tighten. Over-tightening usually causes base leakage.